Hey there, this video is to show you how to use PressReader, which is in your HWDSB catalog. All you need is the Hamilton Public Library card. You can try to get an e-card, and I have other videos showing you how to do that. Once you've downloaded the PressReader app, you will sign in. So I'm already signed in, but it will ask you to sign in with either a Google account or other accounts. But what you want to do is choose to sign in with your library. So there is that option, and once you click on that, it'll ask you for your library card, and then you can see all of the great things that are available on this app. You can see that you can get magazines and newspapers from all kinds of different places in the world. You can get publications in different languages. There are many magazines that are available as well for you. And you can also find newspapers that will help you get caught up with today's news. And you can favorite the ones that are most interesting to you. Okay, that's it. Hope you have fun with this. And if you have any questions, just let me know.